Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be solving another Leetcode problem. It's a popular problem for all the companies, especially the phone interviews. It's letter combinations of a phone number. Given a string containing digits from 2 to 9 inclusive, return all possible letter combinations that the number could represent. Return the answer in any order. So here, if we look at the example, we can see that we have digit 2 and 3, and they are asking to find the all possible combinations for 2 and 3. So you can see that in the keypad, if we select 2, we have a letter of A, B, and C, and in the 3 we have D, E, and F. So what they are asking to do here is do the combination between those letters. So for we have A, B, C, and D, E, F. So we can do the combination like A, E, A, D, A, E, A, F, B, D, B, E, B, F, and finally C, D, CE, and CF. So this is the combination they are asking for here. Let's, before starting, we can see the tricks for this one. So what we need to do is we have to figure out, we have to have a map where we will store these letters under the numbers, and then we will do the permutation. Then it's just a permutation problem solving like we did before. And we will do this solution using the backtracking approach. So let's get started. So first of all, we need to store these letters inside an array or a map. So here we'll be using a string map. And you can see that we have created the map like for index 0 and index 1 we have put 0 or 1 because it doesn't have any letters, and from index 2 we have the value of string A, B, C, D, E, F, like the letters here in the keep telephone pad. Now we will need a resulting list that will hold all of our resulting strings. Let's let's first do a corner case checking, that if the digits dot length is equal 0, we will return the empty list result. If not, then we will use a helper method. We'll call it Backtrack to have our further calculations and to get the result. So let's first create those that helper function Backtrack. And in the Backtrack, we will need few parameters, and we'll first have the string digits, and then we will need our list of string, that is our result, and we will need a temporary string builder with which we will build our results like this combination. So we'll call it like string builder temp. And another thing, we'll need our map, so that we can always have a track of these letters. So we'll have the string map, and lastly we will need the index, so that we can check that if we are end of the digit or not. So we will have int n, which will get track of the length of the digit. Let's pass them here in the backtrack function. So it will have digits we will have results. Initially our string builder is empty, so we'll have a new string builder. Here we'll need to pass the map, and we will start from index 0 of the digit string, so it's 0. After all our calculation, we will get our result in the result list, so we can just return the results here. So when we start working on the backtrack function, we will recursively use that. So let's have our first condition where we'll check that as a n, value of n is equal to digits dot length. Then we found our combination, so we will add that in our resulting list. And the temp is holding the string, but it is a string builder, so we have to convert it to string, and then we will return from here. Other than that, otherwise we will have to first capture the letter for that digit, and the letter will be that. So we'll first have to find the digits dot char at n, and it's a character, so make it an integer value. We have to return 0, and we will find the letter in the map array. So we found our letter. Now let's look through to the letter. So if int I is equal 0, I is less than letter, let's name it letters, letters dot length I plus plus. Let's capture our first letter, that is a character letter, and it's letters dot char at I. In our temporary string builder, we will append it, this letter, and then we will look for the other letter for our combination. So we'll recursively call our backtrack function here, and we will pass the parameters. That is, first we have to pass digits, result, our new temp, the map, and the new index, that is n plus 1, because it is keeping track of the length of the digits. And finally, once our backtracking, or once we get here and we add the string to the results, we'll start our backtracking by deleting the last character added from the temp string builder. So we'll delete the last character, length minus 1, and this is our code. Let's run. We have syntax error here. Yeah, okay. So you can see it's working. Let's submit it. It's submitted, and we got a good runtime result. It's 1 millisecond, it's faster than 95%. So that's it. If you have any question, please ask me in the comment. Thank you.